Hello everybody. Yeah, got Greg, got my wife, got the dogs. We're all out for a drive here in the Tesla. Yep, it's the same Tesla that I let sit for 24 hours at 70 miles or at 70 degrees on temperature keep. Got 100 miles to drive, so what do you do in the winter? You get out and drive. So there you go, let's hit it. So this is packed down snow. Let's try something here once. Okay, I'm gonna floor it, all right? You ready? That's floored. You see the traction control in a Tesla is superb. It saw it slip a little and then it didn't do anything else. If it would have been in any other car, we would have been in the ditch. That's one of the benefits of the traction control here in the Tesla. Yeah, we're up to the bigger road here now and kind of expected it to be halfway plowed. Anybody coming?
No, nobody coming.
All right, here go. Is anybody coming? Nope, you're clear. Okay. Well, here we are. We're going to get out on the bigger road here now. Just taking our time, driving down the road. Only knuckleheads are out here. And that's us. We're going to get over in the...
We may not make it down the freeway.
Yeah, we'll make it down the freeway.
Sit down, baby.
We just got to plow our way down the middle here. One of the things you can't do is get too close to the side of the road because now all of a sudden you don't know where the ditch is, and I don't want to slide in the ditch if I don't have to here anyway.
Sit down.
Let's jam the brakes on. Here goes. Oh, throw the pups right in our lap here. All right, so on the black we're good. And this is a shaded area, obviously, and it'll be a little slicker. So we'll just take our time going down here. Yeah, looks like we got road here on the right, and there's the line down the middle, and all the little birds. We just take our time.
You don't want to plant that stuff.
Mario brought some to the farm. I
No,
said, take that
geez.
right back home.
Get it out.
I said, don't even think about putting that over
If you
here.
put that stuff in, you're in trouble. Or you need a panda bear.
We got another experiment. We're gonna floor it again. Here goes. You watch my foot down here. Ready? Floored, right? And there you go. We're not in the ditch.
Yeah.
Oh, here comes the car. We'll just move it over here.
So Dave got his car with some other people, and they all went to go get the kids out of school. And I slowly made it.
Yeah, that's it.
We got on a back road. Oh, excuse me. And it was hills. You go whoop, and then you stop at the top of the next hill. And I'd watch cars coming, and I'd just wait till everybody was gone, and then I'd
wait till
go.
it's clear. Well, you see, that's what people don't understand. They stop at the bottom of the hill.
Yeah.
And once somebody with halfway bald tires does that, nobody's going up the hill.
No. I just waited until everybody moved, and then I made it from one hill to the next.
Well, that's the... Oh, my.
Yeah, it looks like somebody's in the ditch.
This might have been the one that kept sliding off back there.
I don't know, maybe. Yeah, you ain't going anywhere for a while.
In the ditch, good.
When they pull him out, they're gonna
Yeah,
pull him
just
out
keep
sideways
going there,
his
car.
tires.
Yeah, the road is packed down cement. You'd think it's cement, it's ice here. And let's see if I can stop. Ready? Full brakes. The traction control kept us straight, and we did stop eventually, so that's not too bad. But like on any icy conditions, just take it easy, not in any hurry. Beautiful out here though. I brought everybody, including the pups, with us today. All right, well, we're just coming into the town of Columbus here now. And this is a decent sized road that we're on. And I'm really surprised that we haven't seen any plowing going on. Tesla doesn't care, but people with one-wheel drive cars, like conventional cars with a differential that supplies power to one wheel, I'm not sure they do very well here. Anyway, we continue into town. Our goal is going to town for some errands here. Yeah, we're just up here to the stop sign here. And
Still not plowed.
still not plowed. What day is it today? Monday? Oh, it's a holiday. So how does that work? A holiday and no snow plows? That doesn't make a whole lot of sense. It's kind of an oxymoron or a catch-22, I guess. Anyway, just coming into downtown area here in city of Columbus. And there's to the mailbox down there, and there's City Hall and all that hoo-ha. And just coming up to Highway 108, and it does look plowed, so there you have it.
Yeah, that's been plowed.
We'll just take it easy here. We don't need to bounce off the Ford. He might not like it.
Doesn't look like they got much up there though.
No, it doesn't.
Well, a lot of trees, heights of snow up on the mountains, I suspect. Yeah, so this is downtown Columbus, or I shouldn't say downtown. This is the city of Columbus. Wow, look at the snow, all the plowed. We get snows 3 or 4 times a year here, and it's not every day. One of the things that happens is now the sun's out, we'll see all this stuff come off the roads from the heat. Wow, big piles of snow plowed here in the local grocery store. Yeah, this looks pretty good. We'll get up on the interstate and head to the west. It's west 22, or make that 26. Just getting on westbound 26 here now. Outside temperatures reading 34 degrees Fahrenheit. Yeah, the interstate's pretty empty. It shows up all green here on Google traffic. Pretty day today.
I think it's prettier.
She's windy.
I love it when we get to the rock walls and all this ice is all hanging over you.
All right, we're off here at Saluda. We're gonna just turn around and go back. Looks pretty clear here. How's that way look, boys and girls?
You're good here.
All right, here goes. We'll just go around, get up, back up on the interstate, and head to the east. Wow, they just aren't big into plowing anything here.
Did what they sort of needed to do. And
I guess it's out of their jurisdiction, the state people, right? Heading back to the east now, 26. it's starting to melt a little bit. Just as I say that, we get into the icy spot. That's right, Tesla doesn't care. It just drives over everything. We're just about back home. We went all the way up to Saluda, a city north of us here on the interstate. Went and stopped and got some groceries, and then got back on the interstate. Went down another exit, and now we're heading back up here to our place. And the road is not plowed, so it's okay. Tesla doesn't seem to really care. If you would, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Pass it on to your friends. I'm pretty sure they'd like the content. Thanks for watching. I'll look for you in the next videos, and take care.